Okay, now we want to create a palm tree. From here, create a tree. Move your tree here. Okay. First you need to rename your palm from here. In the tutorial you can create a folder palm. Create a folder materials. Okay, now you need to create a bark and leaf palm. Switch the shader. Your leaf. Your bark. Okay, move your palm here and start to work. The first thing is select a good trunk texture for the palm. From the trunk you can select a palm trunk. Now assign your created bark here. Now we have a very nice trunk. The palm trunk is flat and solid, so you need to disable the crinkle lines. Also the end of the trunk must be solid, so you can use the flat radius for your trunk. Also you can use cape smoothing to smooth the end of the trunk. You can see everything is so simple. Now we can increase the radius filler without noise. Also you can increase the height. As you can see, our trunk is very good. Now we can easily work on the leaf. The leaf of the palm tree must be a branch. Create so a branch and select the fronds. We want to use a branch as a leaf for palm. Now you can easily direct the leaf into the frond material. Select the leaf from textures. Use a palm leaf. This is a good. Now as you can see, we have a very nice palm leaf. You can easily increase the width here. Also create the more realistic, reduce the crinkle lines. Okay. Now we can easily increase the counts. As you can see, the alignment is not good, so use the wall length and move the position into the top of the trunk. Okay. Now you can easily change the angle and at first from here at first to downside. Okay, you need to balance the angle and the section. Also you can update the value from here. This is a good for the top of the bark. Okay. This is attach your leaf to the trunk. Nice. Now you can easily duplicate this front and change its angle. For example, this is good angle. Duplicate again and move a bit down. Nice. Also you can change a bit position. Nice. As you can see, we have a very beautiful palm. Easily, quickly reduce the trunk length and radius. Okay, now you can easily customize your tree to reach to your desired result. As you can see, everything is possible using Unity Stir Creator easily with a realistic result using the Next Stir Creator help of the Next Stir Creator. Nice. This is the position of the palm leaf. Now as you can see, we have a very good and realistic palm. Also you can duplicate another one. No, it's not possible to add angle. Nice. Okay, as you can see, your palm looks very good. The position a bit not bad. No. As you can see, we have a very good palm. Select this, increase a bit the height. Nice. You can easily duplicate the palm leaf and use a gray texture. As you can see, this is a gray. Now we have a very realistic and beautiful palm tree, and just you can easily customize to reach to your desired result. You can use tool to a bit customize your palm. Nice. You have a very realistic palm. You can easily customize your translucency from here. Everything is possible easily. Nice.